Hello, good morning. Jai Hind to all of you. So previously we have done some basic introduction about circles, right? Now let's move further. Okay, so in last lecture we completed exercise number 10.1, right? Now next topic. Okay, the number of tangents from a point on a circle, right? So we already know about tangent, what is secant, right? So suppose we have any circle. So we know that a line and a circle which have a common intersected point which called point of contact, right? And this is tangent and this is point of contact. Now, but suppose a point is outside of a circle. So there are two possible tangents, number 1 and number 2, right? And which are intersected into distinct points. Suppose P is outside of a circle with center O, then PA and PB are two tangents of that particular circle. And one more thing is that from this point to the center, the line which is perpendicular, and for this also. Okay, so ये जो radius है उसकी which is the perpendicular to the this tangent on this point. Okay, now yes, if there is a point inside the circle, suppose this is point A, O is center and point any point A inside the circle, so you can see there are infinitely many lines which passes through it. Okay, now see theorem number 10.2. The length of the tangent drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. That means suppose P point से हमने ये जो tangents PA and PB जो draw किया, so which are equal. जितना PA होगा उतना ही PB. That means length of PA equals to length of PB, right? Okay. So let's move to the exercise number 10.2. Okay. First, second, and third are MCQs. See number 1. Number 1. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24. Yes, ये हमने already last time जो exercise 10.1 में number 3 किया था. Same as this. So कोई एक point Q है and the length of a tangent. Tangent जो है उसकी length. Suppose we have a circle and this is the tangent from this end point. So the length of the tangent is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center. See, यहाँ पे आपको ये जो distance है, Q is a point outside of a circle with center O, and suppose this is P. PQ is a PQ is a tangent, and the distance of Q from the center is 25. So this is 25. So last time by using Pythagoras theorem यहाँ पे इसकी रेडियस मिल जाएगी आपको. ओके, नंबर टू में ऑलरेडी आपको फिगर गिवन है. O P Q, this is 110. So as I say, this is tangent, sorry, PT and QT, which are two tangents from a common point T. That means they are equal, and also they are perpendicular to this. From यहाँ पे ये जो point of contact है वहाँ पे ये radius perpendicular होगी, and we need to find the angle PTQ. That means this one. So you can see which shape is formed quadrilateral, and we know that sum of all angles in quadrilaterals is 360 degrees. So ये तो 90, 90 and 180 degrees, 110. So this one is 70 degrees, right? Now, number 3, also you can do it, वो भी easy है. If tangents PA and PB from a point P to a circle this is PA and this is PB. So two tangents PA and PB to a circle with center O are inclined to each other. Inclined हो रहे हैं, यानी यहाँ पे वो दोनों क्या हो रहे हैं? Inclined हो रहे हैं 80 degrees पे, right? Then angle POA is equal to, see, this POA, we need to find this, this POA, ये तो ऑलरेडी परपेंडिकुलर होता है, ये भी परपेंडिकुलर होता है, सो हमें ये एंगल फाइंड करना है. ठीक है, नाउ सी, ये यहाँ पे 80 डिग्री से, सो राइट 80, सो यहाँ पे ये होल एंगल इज ऑफ 100 degrees. Why? This is 90 degrees. So 90 plus 90, 180. 180 plus 80, again 260, and 260 plus 100 हो जाएगा ना 360. That means each of 50 degrees. So our angle P of A is of 50 degrees. Right? Number 4. Prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter to a circle are parallel. It's very simple. Suppose we have AB is the diameter, and these two tangents from the end points of this diameter, that is A and B, right? So we know that this is perpendicular to this, and this is also 90 degrees. ये भी 90, ये भी 90 हो जाएगा. Okay, so angle AO, giving PQ and RS, right? So this is OAQ equals to 90 degrees, and therefore this is also PAO, otherwise OAP, is of 90 degrees. Similarly, these two are also 90 degrees, and hence sum of them is 180 degrees, and also here 180 degrees, and therefore PQ parallel to RS. प्रूफ। सिंपली आपको लैंग्वेज में ये सारे स्टेप्स लिखते हैं। नंबर 5, prove that the perpendicular at a point of a contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. The circle, this is point of contact, this is center, this is perpendicular. Okay, so A is point of contact and tangent is PQ of a circle with center O. Right, now the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent which passes through the center. ये सेंटर में से ही पास हो रहा है, ऐसा प्रूव करना है। सो ऑब्वियसली वो तो सेंटर में से ही पास होगा ना, बट अगर इसको प्रूव करना है कि वो सेंटर में से ही पास हो रहा है, वो कोई अनदर पॉइंट में से पास नहीं होगा। सो फॉर प्रूव दिस वी कैन कॉन्ट्राडिक्ट टू दिस स्टेटमेंट, राइट? सो फॉर दैट वी नीड टू टेक अनदर पॉइंट like O dash. Okay, so let us suppose this perpendicular OA, otherwise this perpendicular passes from point O dash inside the circle, right? And also what is given? Angle is OAQ. ये तो 90 डिग्री होगा, ये तो परपेंडिकुलर ही होता है, ठीक है? But you can see this angle from O dash AQ, which is not 90 degrees, but from figure angle O dash AQ, which is not 90 degrees, and therefore we can say that it passes through the center. क्योंकि सेंटर से अभी कोई भी पॉइंट में उसको चेंज करेंगे तो एंगल या तो 90 से कम हो जाएगा या तो 90 से ज्यादा हो जाएगा, ठीक है? सो इट्स नॉट पॉसिबल ना। Number 6, the length of a tangent from a point A at a distance 5 cm from the center of a circle is 4 cm. इसमें भी देखो रेडियस 5 में नहीं, जैसा हमने एमसीक्यू में किया, एमसीक्यू नंबर 3 में, सॉरी 2 में आपको फिगर की वैसी फिगर, हाँ फर्स्ट में भी रेडियस ही फाइंड करनी थी। देखो आपको वहां पे एक टेंजेंट गिवन है और टेंजेंट परपेंडिकुलर होता है, दैट मींस ऑब्वियसली आप पाइथागोरस यूज करोगे। मेजरमेंट भी आपको टू साइड्स के गिवन है, सो आपको थर्ड साइड यानी रेडियस मिल जाएगी, ठीक है? नाउ नंबर 7, सेम एज फर्स्ट करना है। नंबर 6 जो टू कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल, फर्स्ट व्हाट इज मीन बाय कंसेंट्रिक सर्कल्स? कंसेंट्रिक दैट मींस उन दोनों का सेंटर एक ही है। कंसेंट्रिक, दोनों का सेंटर एक ही। सो वी हैव टू सर्कल्स एंड विथ रेडियस 5 cm and 3 cm. find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. It means, sorry, so chord of a larger circle, this one, this is the chord of a larger circle which touches the smaller circle. So we need to find the length of this chord. So you can see this is the radius of this circle, that is 5, and this is the radius of a smaller circle, that is 3, right? So yes, we need to find the length of this chord, name it right. So we know that this is the perpendicular y, because this is point of contact and AB is tangent of the smaller circle. So this is the perpendicular, and by using Pythagoras to triangle OPA. So in triangle OPA by Pythagoras theorem, OA square equals to OP square plus AP square, right? So what is OA square? 5 square. 5 square is 25. OP square, 3 square is 9. AP square doesn't have. Therefore, AP square equals to 25 minus 9, and therefore AP square equals to 16. Therefore, AP equals to 4 centimeters. Why? Because 5 and 3 are also in centimeters, right? चलो, यहाँ पे आपको ये 4 centimeters मिला AP. So what is AB? A to B. That means AP and also 4 plus again 4. PB is also 4, right? So AB equals to twice of AP, and therefore 2 into 4 is 8 centimeters. Okay. Now number 8. तो उसमें आपको क्या करना है, ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle, यानी एक सर्कल है जिसको क्वाड्रिलेटरल टच कर रहा है आउटसाइड, नॉट इनसाइड. साइड तो उसके वर्टिसेस उसको टच करेगी, राइट? सो फिगर नंबर 10.12. Okay. Now, a quadrilateral ABC is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD equals equals to AD plus BC, right? So we need to prove this statement. So for this, so as I said, suppose we have a circle and suppose C is outside of circle. So from point C, the length of these two tangents are equal. This is point R and this is point Q, right? So CR and CQ will be equal, same as DS and DR equal, SA equals to AP and PB equals to BQ, right? So from theorem, otherwise you can write, we know that from theorem we know that first dr equals to ds, then rc equals to cq, then this pb equals to bq, okay, and as equals to ap, right? Yani ap equals to as. Giving number 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay. Now adding 1, 2, 3 and 4, we get dr plus rc plus pb plus ab equals to right hand side ds plus cq plus bq plus as, right? Now see dr plus cr, so dr plus cr, that means whole cd plus pb plus ap, this pb plus ap, that means whole ab equals to CQ plus BQ, CQ plus BQ and BC plus DS plus AS, DS plus AS, that means AD, okay. So you can see AB plus CD equals to BC plus AD, AD plus BC. So write in this form. AB plus CD equals to AD plus okay. So hence proved. So it's easy. Now number 9 in figure, again number 9 में भी आपको फिगर गिवन है. This xy, first we draw a circle. This xy and x dash y dash, and this is PQ. PQ is a diameter, right, which pass through center O. Now again another tangent BA okay, and the point of contact is C, okay. So there are total 3 tangents. This xy, x dash y dash, and this AB, and point of contact is C. Right? Now we need to prove angle AOB is 90. Okay. Yes. So for that, first of all, we need to join this A to C. Right? So we know that from point of contact to the center is perpendicular, right? And x dash y dash is also tangent, so this is also perpendicular. Xy is tangent, so this is also perpendicular, right? So you can see from figure, आपको पहले जो गिवन इंफॉर्मेशन है वो सारी एक्सप्लेन करिए. Thereafter in triangle OQB and triangle OCB, you can see both are congruent to each other. How? See, this is the क्या है radius, right angle, and common side, that is hypotenuse. So by RHS these two triangles are congruent, right? So first hypotenuse OB equals to OB, sorry पहले right angle RHS है ना, so यहाँ पे OQB equals to angle OCB, right angles. Second, H hypotenuse, so OB equals to OB, hypotenuse, otherwise you can write here common side. And third one, this OQ equals to OC, and we know that they are radius of same circle. Okay, so therefore triangle OQB which congruent to triangle OCB by RHS congruency rule. So if these two triangles are congruent, that means what? So we can say that this angle equals to this angle, right? That means QOB equals to COB. Therefore QOB equals to angle COB by CP and digit number 1. Okay. So same procedure for these two triangles. You can see right angle. So R, common side, H and radius S. Okay. So by RHS these two triangles are also congruent. So again in this triangle, this angle and this angle which are equal. So therefore आपको सेकंड मिलेगा यहाँ पे POA में QACOB. Okay, POA equals to AOC. नंबर अभी आपको क्या प्रूव करना है? AOB is 90 degree, right? AOB is 90 degree. So we know that this PQ is a diameter and POQ which is a straight line, that means this whole will be 180 degrees. Okay, so sum of these four angles is 180 degrees, right? So now from figure, angle POA plus AOC plus COB plus BOQ, angle POA plus angle AOC plus angle COB plus angle BO equals to 180 degrees. Then, but we need only here AOB, and you can see AOB. So in this AOB, which contains only these two angles, so other than that क्या करेंगे, इसके इक्वल्स टू ये रखेंगे और इसके इक्वल्स टू ये रखेंगे, ठीक है. So first in place of POA we put AOC from 2. So AOC plus angle AOC plus second COB चाहिए, COB yes, and second BOQ नहीं चाहिए, so BOQ की प्लेस पे COB from 1, so COB plus again COB equals to 180 degrees from 1 and 2, right? Now AOC plus AOC, 2 angle AOC, COB plus COB, 2 angle COB equals to 180 degrees. So 2 common, angle AOC plus angle COB equals to 180 degrees. Therefore 2 जाएगा डिवीजन में, right? So and AOC plus COB that is this whole AOB equals to 180 by 2, and therefore angle AOB is of 90 degrees. Understood? Okay. Now number 10, prove that the angle between the two tangents drawn from an external point to a circle is supplementary. Okay, it's very important, and again उसमें भी फिगर यहाँ पे जो आपने बनाई थी, ठीक है, उस लाइक उसके जैसे फिगर्स आएंगे, बट उसमें ऑपोजिट जो एंगल्स है वो आपको उसमें सप्लीमेंट्री दैट मींस दोनों का प्लस आपको 180 प्रूव करना है. ओके, सो दैट्स वी विल सी नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, एंड ओनली 4 सम्स आर देयर इन योर चैप्टर 10, 11, 12 and 13. Okay, so in next lecture we will complete it. Your today's homework is complete classwork in notebook, right? So see you next lecture. Till then, goodbye and take care.